Namaskar, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, scholars, students, sportsmen, friends, colleagues, professionals and officials, doctors and listeners, those who are listening all around the world. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, your presence is praiseworthy, appreciable and admirable. Time, place and action that you are providing, it is really a great blessing and grace of God. So I again thank all of you. Our today's topic, to know the truth of the word of God, for uplifting our society and nation. A man is found by two important aspects. One is heredity, that comes from his genes and ancestors, and 50% from the present environment of the company, atmosphere, environment. It is seen that if a man lives in a bad company for a long time, bad company means he himself is enabled to struggle with his narrownesses, with negative thoughts. It is rightly said that neither a Hindu nor a Muslim is bad, he who bends upon is bad. So company does matter. 50% there is the effect of company for making a man. It is seen that if a man lives in a bad company for a long time, one day certainly he or she becomes like that. It is a teaching of this nation, of our nation, that a man or woman should walk on the path of truth with honor, faith and determination. These are the qualities that are provided by our culture, country, nation. It has been said that in our Indian Constitution, we are free to do any work without any pressure, circumstances, offerings, compulsions, because soul is born to free. So she should not or he should not tolerate inhuman and dehuman treatment by any person. According to our religion, non-violence is the supreme form of religion. So man should not be violated at any rate. Any believer or follower of any religion should not attack any human values and moral values, because these are the basic teachings to be adopted by everyone, whether he is the spiritual master or any follower. Indian judiciary gives us right to fight for rights. Indian constitution and law has a provision for the poor, downtrodden, handicapped, destitute. Women are first and children are preferred, as it is said that a child is the father of man. In all religions, it is very common teaching that we are to be accepted and treated equally. Nobody can deceive, betray and cheat others. Even in education, no one has right to copy or imitate another's. Our institutions under this section, human rights are given to those who are obedient and dutiful for Indian laws. This law has come from society. Parents provide the law of equality to us. All family members are treated by their parents only if their children have respect for their parents. Indian land is famous for respect and honor to humanity. Humanity is our caste, humanity is our religion, it is said. We can fight for our right, but only then when we follow our duties, when we are right at our duties. Only then we can claim, then we can fight against these evils, social evils. Our daily routine should be according to the law of nature. Law of nature is really unwritten.